Hi folks, this is Joscho Stephan. I'm very glad to be part of this project for the Doorbell. First of all, I will answer some questions, and after that I will perform a song by Django Reinhardt for you. So the last few weeks after I woke up and had some breakfast, I was most of the time here at my studio, and I was able to realize a project with recording just songs written by the Beatles. And this is a project that I always wanted to do because of the reason that I'm most of the year on tour. There was never time, so I play also most of the instruments on that album, and it will be out in June. So this was, I would say, a very interesting thing to do. I stayed inspired the last few weeks working on this album. So there's a new album called Get Back to the Beatles, and it took me 6 or 8 weeks here at my studio to work on that thing. Yeah, of course, the circumstances at the moment are for a musician very hard because you're not able to perform live with audience anywhere in the world, I think. But I think we need to go on, stay inspired, and of course, in the first answer, I talked already about the studio work that I did the last few weeks. Of course, I practice, I work on new songs, and so I just do my job as always. And yeah, I really try to take care on my technical skills, on my instrument, and I think there will be a time when we will see you again on stage, and we will back with a lot of new material and new songs. To be honest, I stay most of the time at home working on music or spending some time with my family, but when I go out, it's really interesting to see that everything is really quiet, much quieter than before. What I think is that the most people want to come back to a normal state, and I also hope that visiting concerts and other events, stuff like this, will be possible in the near future. As I told you before, I play a song by the great Django Reinhardt, and it's one of the most beautiful ballads that he composed, and it's called Nuage. Thank you very much for watching. This was Joscho Stephan for the Doorbell. Stay at home, stay healthy, and hope to see you soon back on the stage and in concert somewhere in the world. Thank you very much.